Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to another table talk. Now we're having this today just to give you guys a little update.
Yep, now we obviously had the cruise culture video that went live earlier this week. There was a big video. With everything going on, we thought we'd give you a fleet update because the fleet has gone a bit mental at the moment.
Yes, it has.
Get a bit out of hand, so we just thought the easiest thing to do is just keep you updated with this video.
Yeah, do fleet and we're going to give you a little update on everything else that's going on as well.
Because again, like we always say, there is a lot going on.
Yeah.
So we'll kick off, well, the MX-5, I think that's the main one at the moment because the amount of questions I get with this car. Oh, what is it? What's happening with it? Which is awesome.
Yeah.
So last time you saw it would have been the Landau full track day video, which was amazing. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. Basically went there straight to Jay's. We stripped a few bits off. We went down there to be painted. And as of filming this video, he reckons it's about 80% done.
Yeah, thereabouts.
I think he said it's like the door or the bonnet and the bumpers to go, and she'll be ready.
Yeah.
And after that, I think the next thing, as much as I'm eyeing up chassis mods and things like that, it's gonna be power mods. I need power to keep up with Kenny on track.
Yeah.
So case swapping was on the cards. I budgeted about 5-6 grand, which I thought was a lot. But apparently the more research I did with the fabrication, you're looking more 9-10 grand.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money and that is out of my budget that I'm not prepared to spend that much on the MX-5. So we're gonna be real original and turbo it.
But we are turboing it. We are doing it ourselves.
That's the main thing. I know you can do it cheaply, but I'm gonna buy a full kit that we can just do ourselves, plumb it in ourselves, and get it running.
You're not doing it cheaply.
I know.
You and that in the same.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I'm growing.
He is.
But
he's trying to learn.
It's going to be good content. It's a good winter project. So we're really, really looking forward to getting our hands. We're just getting stuck in with that.
Watching me get my hands stuck in there. Yeah.
So I'm the cameraman.
Yeah.
But
so yeah, I can't wait for that. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Civic wise. Not a lot really going on with it. I'm picking a cage up this week, about a half
That's
cage.
awesome. Well, the last time you saw it would have been the Landau video as well, wasn't it?
That's right, yeah, exactly. So, yeah, I've stripped a lot of interior parts out of it now. Like I said, we've got the cage going in there. I'm going to be doing the oil cooler.
So I should say,
we were drinking last night.
We were all out last night. I feel fine. I feel fresh as a daisy. Someone else can't handle it.
Yeah, I just drank too much. But anyway, yeah, so oil cooler, I'm doing the brakes, not upgrading, I'm just refreshing everything. They work fantastically, we're getting a little bit hot on them.
Yeah, it's going to be good content. So, like, again, more stuff to do over winter.
Exactly.
I think it's going to be really good.
Yeah, a couple of little bits and pieces, we'll probably find more to do, so.
Oh, guaranteed.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that pretty much is with the Civic.
So the next one's the S2000. I do get a lot of questions on the S2000. I know I didn't realise how much you guys love that car. From the dyno, obviously you would have seen it in the cruise culture video. But before that was the dyno video, and we recorded a video like this a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
But so much has changed since then, and the S2000 was one of the main ones because back then I was like, oh, I'm going to sell it. Dan in work was going to detail it for me, and then it was going to be gone. But long story short, because the MX-5 is painted, as soon as it comes back, it's coming off the road. I am going to keep it a bit longer because I want a fun car over winter while the MX-5 is off the road.
Yeah. Well, you've just had the coilovers done as well this week.
We haven't done a video or anything like that.
No.
That was very last minute, so I got to say a massive shout out to Sean at Auto Performance.
Yes.
I wanted it done for cruise culture, and he managed to squeeze it in, get the alignment done, and now I thoroughly enjoy driving it, which I didn't before.
Yeah.
Which is why I used to sit for weeks on end. So yeah, it is going to be staying. I might even put a decap pipe on it just because I've always wanted to know what they sound like.
Yeah. Well, we got a couple of little videos planned with it as well with the Civic.
Yeah, because I know a few people have been asked, they say they want more content. Gav Morris is the main one. I love it. He's just like, oh, can we see more? Can we see more? Don't know how much content is left in the car without milking it. But like you said, we've got a very interesting one putting it up against the Civic.
Yeah, no, we had a little play yesterday and the results were quite surprising.
Surprising's a good word, yeah.
Yeah, so...
Because they're similar, but not so similar at the same time. It's going to be a good one.
Yeah, just stay tuned for that.
Yeah. So the S2000, yep, that's pretty much it. She is staying around for a little bit longer, which I know a lot of you will be happy about. Probably definitely. Early next year.
Yep.
If I don't fall in love with it, which I probably will.
Yeah. I'm just going to run through all of mine a sec because there's literally not a lot going on with mine. The Mondeo's running, driving great, everything as it should be.
Yep. The new daily, that is your main daily, and the one that we take on shoots and stuff.
Yes, it is. The van is going to be going up for sale next week, my camper.
Camper van. We need to do. I want to show it because Kenny and his dad built that. I just want to show it because it's amazing. I love it.
Yeah, we will do something. It's so comfy.
Yeah.
I actually stayed in it last night. But
yeah,
it is really, really comfy. The motorbike's gone, the Bandit, but I sold it for my friend Rob, who actually said we can have it back because I know some people were asking about it.
Yeah, because the whole point was, I've only ever been out on a bike like once, and you were going to take me out on it, which I was really looking forward to. So hopefully Rob will let us do that. Yeah,
I'm sure he will. He said when he took the bike, he's like, look, we'll take up an Avon and we'll have a go of it.
Yeah, awesome.
The next thing I'm just going to mention is the Jetta.
Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, what Jetta? Exactly. Yes. You guys haven't even seen this car that Kenny bought
after
a while ago.
Yeah, a couple of months ago now, at least. The Fiesta went off the road, didn't it? So I bought the Jetta, and since the day I bought it, it's been a nightmare.
Absolute nightmare.
Absolute nightmare. So that's down with Ross at the moment. I just dropped it down.
To the point where Kenny did a lot, and it literally got to the point where I am not messing with it anymore, so that's why he took it to Ross, who's hopefully going to sort it.
That's why I bought the Mondeo. I was just like, I need another daily down.
And it's honestly, rather than explaining it now, we will do a full video, because that much has gone on with it, and that much has gone wrong with it. We will explain it in a video.
Yeah. Last one I'm going to mention, obviously my father's Jaguar, which you've seen on the channel, the XF, has
That's
gone.
Another one that's got so popular.
Real popular, yeah. The feedback, even the person that bought it, he's seen the video of it the night before it went up for sale.
It's mad.
So he put a deposit on it 6 hours after it went up for sale. So I know he's had it remapped as well, so I'm going to have to ask him.
It's done, is it?
Yes.
He had it booked in. Did he? I hope you're watching this. Fair play.
He had it booked in before you bought the car. Well, sorry, before he picked it up.
What?
So I will get in touch with him and see what it was down with that, because I know a lot of people are interested in it. They asked about it.
Yeah, loads of people have commented about it.
Yeah, but he's replaced it with a Focus ST3.
With a twist. I want your guys' opinion on this, because this is weird.
Something a bit different. But one thing I do want to say is a massive thank you to Tom at Allsafe Locksmiths, because he come out. He only had one key with the car. We thought he had a couple, but he come out the day my father phoned him and just done it.
And it's the generation of Focus where they're apparently quite easy to steal.
Yes, so
he wanted to get the key sorted.
Yeah, he come out and he just done it. So, but there's going to be quite a bit of content coming up with that. We've got some plans with that. So.
Yes.
Yeah.
Speaking of dailies, you guys probably know I used to daily the Peugeot 107, the most reliable car I've ever owned. That car got us some brilliant views. Yeah, it's pulled in some strong numbers.
Yeah, I was really surprised.
Some of our best videos and some of the easiest ones. So
this is it. When he was like, I'm going to do that, I was like, yeah, crack on.
Yeah, I've done them myself, yeah. But yeah, unfortunately, I'm doing a lot more miles. We're lugging a lot more car parts around. I needed a bigger car.
Yeah.
As painful as it was, it's basically, you won't be seeing it again. I didn't even have to put it for sale. Word of mouth got around and it's basically sold now.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, she won't be going. She will be going. Which brings us on to my new daily, which you guys probably already know. The Jaguar X-type diesel estate. Yeah. We have done a video. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it.
Yep.
I was expecting a lot of hate from this, but I took it to work. I've had, even like everyone, you guys in the comments, had such positive feedback.
Yeah.
Really surprised me. But sold the most reliable car I've ever owned to one that's known to have a lot of common problems.
Yeah, but you bought it as well. You know, you didn't exactly go out and buy anything. You bought something with low miles.
Went to view
good
when
history.
It was crap,
and it's off the road.
Yeah, it fell off the road a good couple of days as well.
Yeah,
and it is going to be off the road for another week at least.
Andrew with tools is not a good combination. Not unsupervised anyway.
I'll explain. I know everyone commented, oh, Kenny left you alone for 2 minutes, did he? It's a very long story. Basically, it was something to do with the brakes. The wheel nearly fell off, which made me inspect the brakes and everything like that. It was supposed to be simple. It wasn't simple because I tried to fix rather than replace.
Yeah.
But I've decided now, and also this power steering pump shit itself as well. So I got to sort that, but that's why it's off the road. And yes, I am going to be doing it myself.
Jeez,
well, we'll see.
yeah, I was going to say.
But apart from that, it's an amazing car and I absolutely love it. I am willing to put the time and effort into it, so.
Yeah, that's it, then. So we can move on to shows now. We've done Cruise Culture yesterday, which was a really good day.
Amazing feedback from me. We say it a lot, but you guys just, you never cease to amaze us. Coming up to us, speaking to us, the feedback we get is just amazing. So that's why we love doing shows. We prioritize speaking to you guys over filming.
Yeah, we do. Also, I put stickers on the windscreen and everyone helped themselves, which is great.
Gone,
if anybody wants any stickers, please contact me and I'll get them out to you.
Yeah.
So that's another thing.
I took the S2000 very quick. I just thought I took the S2000 to Cruise Culture. I'm not naive. It's an S2000 on wheels. I really wasn't expecting it to get any attention.
On the wheels everyone puts on them as well.
Yeah, I know. I know.
How original.
But the feedback it got and the attention it was good. There were people taking photos. I don't know if it's the interior, but thank you guys so much. Honestly, such good feedback from you.
So we got Forge Action Day. Well, this is going on Friday, so it'll be tomorrow.
Oh, Saturday. I keep thinking Sunday. Yeah, Saturday. Yeah.
So, if you're there, we're going to be there. Give us a shout. Come and say hello.
Yeah.
Come and get some stickers. You know,
Castle Coombe's always a good one. We always see a lot of you guys there, and we love catching up with you. It's great. And something that's blown me away. Not only is it like, whenever we go to Coombe, people are like, oh, you can jump in with me. I absolutely love going in people's cars on track. People are throwing us. They're like, oh, take my car out on track. Tom, working class GTI, he's like, oh, I'll jump in with you. He's like, no, you take it out, have fun with it.
That's awesome.
So we'll see. We've had so many people offering. I'm going to have to see whose car I can go in.
See what times, basically.
But either way, we really appreciate it. It really means a lot.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
So I just want to say, it blows me away.
The next thing I'm going to bring up is Florida. Once again, I know we keep bringing it up. We've literally got 2 months.
You will be getting spammed with this, because this is going to be amazing.
Now, we've had people nagging us to film everything we do out there, and obviously we can't film everything, but we're going to try our best.
Yeah.
We've even gone so far as to buy a laptop to take with us, so Drew can edit out there.
Yeah,
so
much for the holiday. But it was my idea. Kenny didn't force me into it.
A little bit.
It would have been it would have been a lot of content to keep and go through when we came back. But going 3 weeks without really posting a video would have been a nightmare.
Yeah, but it's all going to be vloggy stuff anyway, so it's not too much editing.
Editing wise, it should be relatively simple, and we can keep you guys up to date with what we're doing.
Yeah, exactly.
As we go.
Yeah, and any suggestions and stuff while we're out there.
Yes. Yeah, so keep an eye on that. Like we always say, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you drop comments of what you want to see. If you're liking that video, and let us know what you're liking.
And if you're there in America and you're watching this video, if you're in Florida, give us a shout.
Yep.
Like I said, we'd love to see some cars out there. We've already got a contact, Steve Winterall. He's got the yard full of El Caminos. He's in Tampa. He's going to show us the ropes as well.
And we are doing Titan Motorsport, which I'm sure you guys know. Used to deal with Adam LZ. They are the world's fastest Supra. I think they were good as gold the last time we went.
Fantastic, yeah. We're hopefully going to try and call up to like LHD Performance as well.
Big influence on the bits we did on the S2000. So we just want to meet them and just say, we love what they do.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, big plans with Florida.
Yeah, it's gone from, we're just going on holiday to Florida to, wow, this has just turned into an accelerated 3 weeks.
We're going to be doing a lot of stuff out there filming.
But we love, the reason we're doing this for you guys, and the amount of you guys that have said, please vlog it, please do this, please do it. That's amazing.
This is why
we will do it for you guys.
We're not just going for the holiday. We are going to be documenting also. It'd be brilliant. Also want to bring up TGR Motorsport.
Oh, this is huge.
Yep. We are in partnership with him.
Yep. Adam, TGR, he's awesome.
I bought the rear view mirror and everything off yesterday as well. So
he was at Cruise Culture. I assume he's going to be a Forge. We should have asked him.
Yes, he is.
He was at Cruise Culture. I mean, in fairness, he was always busy, but he always makes time for us. We got a good partnership going. We got big things coming with TGR.
Yes.
We have got a discount code.
Yep.
I forgot what it is.
It's Accelerate TGR 10.
Accelerate TGR 10. I will put it below. I'll drop the link below. I'll double check that. But we've had lots going on, but I'll put it in the description anyway. As you guys know, the quality is just awesome.
We
love his stuff. It's awesome.
So,
and him as a person, awesome. I love supporting companies like that.
Exactly.
Yes.
So
is that it?
I think so.
Look at your notes for. So this is, like we said, we wanted to keep you guys updated anyway, but the reason this has gone as a Friday video, we like getting the show ones out as quick as possible because I know people are always itching to see the show videos as soon as they are. So that's why we've done it. We'll try and do the same with Forge, but we have got a feature going out next week, so it's all going on.
Yes.
But I think that'll do it for
wrap it up
this week. As always, like we always say, we're just so grateful for you guys. We wouldn't be doing this without you.
500,000 views too, baby.
That's insane. 500,000 views.
Yes.
And we're not too far off 3,000 subs. I mean, we're literally...
We're close. 50 odd as of filming this video. So, so fingers crossed.
Again, the support, if you've made it this far in the video, we just want to,
yeah, exactly. Thank you.
We cannot stress it. And this is why we love meeting you guys, because we love seeing it in person. We are so grateful. Each and every one of you. I mean, like I say, we get people to comment every video. We get people to watch every single video, which is mind-blowing.
This is it, and that's what pushes us to go further and further and further.
The amount of times I've wanted to give up because it's so stressful. I'm not going to lie, but thanks to him and thanks to you guys, it keeps us going.
It's hard work, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
So
thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Come on.
I'm so tired.
Boom. There we go.